Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Subscribe if you love me, please. It makes me so happy. Sorry I look like this. Haven't worn makeup in a fat minute. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. Been breaking out so badly on both sides of my cheeks. That's kind of where I always break out, and it was on a good wave and then all of a sudden started breaking out. I think it's due to stress and just like bunch of stuff going on. It's been so crazy moving. As you can see, my bed is on the ground. It's currently Monday, so it's moving week. I'm moving at the end of the week, so I'm doing like slowly but surely stuff. Everything from the kitchen is packed up except for like cleaning supplies and stuff. And then I packed up my whole bathroom last night, which I feel very accomplished about because it was weighing heavy on me. And now I have my clothes and just like that stuff. So that's the most stressful part because I have a lot of clothes and it's just gonna take the longest amount of time, but it should be relatively easy because I just throw things in trash bags, and I'm not even gonna purge my closet until I get to the apartment because I just don't want to deal with it. I don't want to like have to separate what I'm donating and what I'm keeping and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do it later. Stay tuned because some of the stuff that I'm donating I'll probably end up selling, so we'll see. Stay tuned on the Depop. It's kind of it. I just want to start this vlog off, take you guys throughout this like chaotic week of mine basically, and hopefully at the end of this video you'll get an empty apartment tour, so that's exciting. It is Wednesday, so that means like 2 days till I'm packing up my whole apartment and truck and all that stuff. So I am gonna tackle the closet today and like all my clothes. So I basically bought these huge trash bags and I'm gonna throw everything in them. Very stressed. I have no idea where to start. I don't even know what to do with the hangers when like I'm like where to put the hangers. I literally don't know. So
Are you recording yourself right now?
mm-hmm.
I love that for you.
Thank you. Okay guys, the lighting in here is really bad, but I've made really good progress. It's taken me, I don't even know how long, like 2 hours to get to this point. Show you guys what I've done. So literally all the hangers are still there. Trash bag, this is just like anything that was left, like miscellaneous, whatever. These are like all my sweatpants, sweatshirts, and then we have some pants, these 3 bags, and then I put one out here already, jackets. So we have a lot. I'm vlogging. Hey guys, Adi just left and all the hangers are gone. He helped me put them all in a trash bag. Don't mind this. It's been pretty cold here and raining, so I'm just keeping these out to have for the next few days. And right now I'm gonna tackle the shoes. I'm just gonna throw them in a bag. I think my white shoes I'm gonna like cover so like it doesn't get damaged, stuff like that, but we're gonna take care of her. I think also gonna stuff my slippers in this UGG box. Good morning guys, it is moving day. Well, like kind of not moving day, like moving out day. So it's the day before I move into the place tomorrow, but we're packing the truck today. It's outside, we have a big U-Haul, and of course with my luck guys, the power is out in this apartment. Not sure what happened. Oh my god. You know what? It's because my electricity was scheduled to end today, I think.
You just realized?
Oh my god. I thought I scheduled it for tomorrow, but I think I scheduled it for today. So, wow. I think I did this to myself actually, so it's fine. I have my handy dandy helper here, D. He's driving the truck, you know, he's a big boy.
Hi.
Look at your shirt. Self-love.
That's what we gotta preach.
Regard for your own well-being and happiness chiefly considered as desirable rather than narcissistic characteristic.
Can I tell them about my bad dream?
No, baby.
Sorry to cry.
I don't want you to cry again. Poor baby had a bad dream, but it's just a dream. We have those sometimes, okay? It's okay. Hi. Bag secure. Okay guys, we're in the apartment finally.
I didn't see it yet.
This is a sneak peek. Basically, we're about to unload. I feel bad. My dad's probably bringing stuff
I
now.
didn't see it yet.
Okay, well, open your eyes.
Alright, ready? My first reaction.
Here you go.
Wow.
This is literally like the living area. It's like a pretty small living room. We're gonna put a couch here, TV here, just like a fireplace, which is kind of cool. Dining area, kitchen, and then we have upstairs. And then we have the bathroom. This is bathroom number 1, and then you can like open those. Oh my god, look, a mirror. Wait, why is there like mirror there but not there? That's very odd, but whatever. Uh-oh. Someone's calling me. But now we go up the stairs. We have this skylight. Okay, hello. You can't see because it's so bright, but we have the skylight. Oh my gosh, I look disgusting, guys. And then you come up here. This is like the washer and dryer, full size, super handy dandy. Hello. Okay, and then this is gonna be like the office, guest bedrooms, my filming area. Who's here? Someone's here. And then this is a window, trees, another bathroom, closet. And then this is the master bedroom. I really like this. Look at this. This is so cool. So we have like drawers in here. I really am gonna use that. I'm not sure what that is, but this is cool. And then more closet space, kind of small. We have to make it work. And yeah, then we have a balcony out here. It's not that good of a view, but a balcony. And then this is the bathroom. Bathroom, shower, tub, sink. Okay, I need help, but I just want to give you guys a quick view before we start putting stuff in, and talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I spent my first night here. I didn't get a lot of vlog footage yesterday because it's just been so crazy, just kind of getting everything situated. It's still such a mess, but I'm doing my best. I got these little soap dispensers for all the bathrooms and then the sink area. I just have to fill them with soap. The internet guy just left, so we have internet now, so we can set TVs and everything that needs internet that we couldn't set up before. So this room yesterday was literally a mess. I wish I had a picture, but it was just trash bags everywhere. And now it looks like this. Pretty more space to the internet. That looks so ugly, but it's fine. There's a lot more space. These 2 bags are donate/sell. That bag is donate/sell. So cleared out all of the trash bags. This is trash. And then I have my setup in my closet a little bit. I'm getting a clothing rack, probably 2 here. And then I have some pants, shorts/skirts, jackets, dresses back there. Probably in the summertime I'm gonna switch them because I won't need these like heavier jackets as much as I'll want like the dresses. These are just tops, like cuter tops. These are pajamas. I'm gonna get like a little dresser for my other closet and I'm gonna put all my pajamas in there. And then we're coming in here. Say hi.
Hey.
This is the bedroom. Adi's been in bed all morning, guys. It is, what time is it? 11:19, and I've been up since 6 a.m. doing everything. And homie has been in bed sleeping.
Called having a job.
Sleeping. Yeah, it's called breaking in the apartment. But guys, this is so clutch. So basically, these are all my extra hangers. I came here with literally no free hangers, so that's like an accomplishment right here. And I'll probably, I don't know what I'm gonna hang here yet. And these are my jeans, and these are all like my sweaters/sweatshirts. Rise and shine, babe. Rise and shine.
I'm just so confused about this TikTok.
Wow, I'm breaking out like crazy from all my freaking stress. Oh my gosh, guys, it's the truth. What my skin look like right now. Gotta embrace it sometimes, honestly. We are about to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. We went to Target. I'll show you guys that stuff a little bit later. I just got like some bath rugs and like a welcome mat, just some simple stuff. Right now we're about to go to Bed Bath & Beyond and get a lot of towels because we have like none. I'm washing like the few we have. I'm gonna drink the celery juice because I feel like I'm very malnourished and I gotta hydrate. So I actually really like the taste of this one, Suja. We're gonna drink this and now we're gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond and then I will talk to you guys after. Look at that, that's so cute, right? That plant is gonna grow and flourish and it's gonna be so cute. Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond. We got the goods. All the goods, and then we're headed to the grocery store. I need my keys, huh?
How's it look? Hard?
Yeah, so hard. I'm just taking a video. I need to get my keys out where they are. We are now about to go into Ralph's. Next stop, we have to buy so much food. We have no food. How do you feel about this adventure? Do you want to nap?
Yeah, I'm so tired, honestly.
Yeah, but we're here, out here, getting ready to shop. And this is gonna make me so hungry because I'm already hungry, and you're not supposed to go grocery shopping when you're hungry.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be bad, but let's try and stick to our list, and we should be good.
Really
go team.
No, this is gonna
team
be
on
really
3.
Bad. All right.
1, 2, 3, team. Where's my mom?
This is what we have to deal with right now because of you, bro.
Because of me.
We still got stuff.
Look what we got. This is literally all of the groceries in one trip. Like you don't want to come back up.
Holy shit.
Not one. We loaded him first. I took the leftovers.
Why am I going to
Oh!
I told you it wasn't going to be good. I told.
Did you break my whole hydro flask? I'm scared. Okay guys, as you can tell, we're back from the store. We just brought in the groceries and are gonna get the Bath & Body Works, Bed Bath & Beyond stuff out, but I just want to show you like everything we got as I like pull it all out. So I'm just gonna pull everything out and go quick, but jam, this Adiz kombucha, pasta sauce, we're gonna make spaghetti. Adiz tired. This is cashew butter for like cashew butter jelly sandwiches. Got some paper plates, brown sugar.
Got some of this.
Got some. No, we're gonna eat breakfast. Come on. Just throw everything on. I got, made sure to get snacks. So we got cauliflower stalks. Should have smell weird. Cauliflower pretzels. You made, please. Mediterranean chips. And then I had to get these dark chocolate covered almonds. These are praline pecans, so good in salads also. Some gum. Gluten-free Hawaiian bread, it's like my favorite. Pre-cut onions, because we're lazy. Tomatoes, avocados, lemons. Why are these crackers extra good?
Look at that.
Gluten-free tortillas, coquito. Got ready to make rice. I got roasted chicken, flavor, cilantro, lime, and then 2 of the long grain and wild. These rices are fave. More cookies. It's the sugar cookie flavor. Never tried. We have some turkey. We have oat milk, chocolate because I love chocolate milk. 2 of these really weird cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, spinach, and some just romaine lettuce, or what is this? Chopped romaine. Then I have avocado oil spray, ranch for a D, some mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, some dairy-free ranch. Then we have 2 things of Dave's Killer Bread. This is Adi's bread that he always makes and eats. These fresh muffins. These are blueberry. I can't have a lot of these because I will literally have the biggest stomach ache, but I'm really excited to have some of these in the house. Deviled egg potato salad, so freaking good. Hummus, more turkey, Some mozzarella cheese for D, obviously. Some salami just for with crackers. Like 3 of these freaking beef things for our bolognese that we make. So that's good. I got some gluten-free crackers to try. 4 of these gluten-free fettuccine pastas for, again, dinner. Okay, I'm gonna try this just to try it. This is what happens when you we're out all day and are starving and just get food. How is it?
Very interesting.
Kind of like that. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's a good combo. One more. Oh my god, so good. Got a bunch of the stuff I had in the car from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I thought I would just show you guys another little quick haul. I still have more stuff in my car from there, and then some boxes from my parents' house that I just sent stuff to. But I had not enough hands and D's in the bathroom right now, so whatever. I got this riser for my cupboard to like store more plates and bowls and all that stuff. They only had 1, so I just got 1. I got this big pan just to like cook stuff in. Like I feel like I need like a big pan if I'm cooking for more than myself. I got this really pretty thing. I'm gonna put candlesticks in it and put it on this like shelf that I hope to get. I got a dish drying rack. I like it because it has like a drying part and then you can like put the plates here. I just got a bunch of towels. I got this cream color and then this like green color, and I just got like a bunch of these and I have to wash them, but D uses a lot of towels, and when he's here, like he's gonna use all the towels, so I needed to have a lot more towels than what I did have. Next I have microfiber cleaning cloths. My mom made me get this. I think it's just like cleaning cloths, like literally just like cloth. Instead of like using paper towels to clean counters or like dust or whatever, use these. I got this is gonna be for the guest bathroom. I'm gonna put like lotion and my soap in it. I already have a soap dispenser, but I gotta get another one for lotion. And this is like a spoon holder. You put like your spoon on it when you're cooking. I got this for like my spice area. I just put the spices on here and I can like spin it around so I can like see everything I have. So I got this like ring for my bathroom to put on the wall for like my towels because it doesn't have one and there's not a lot of counter space, so I thought hanging my towel would be more like would take up less space. Oh, I got a little, what's this called, squeegee for the shower because it's like a glass shower.
Tonight I drove through the suburbs.
And then we got lighters for candles, and it's just good to like have a lighter around, I guess. I got this for my bathroom for cotton pads, cause no. Okay, so this is my, let me show you guys my idea. Them in here. Oh no. No, it's too short. I think I need shorter candlesticks, I think. Shorter ones. I didn't want them to be taller. Okay, that's fine. Okay guys, we just cleaned the whole apartment, like got rid of all these boxes. Back here is ready for the couch, which will be in the next vlog. I'm gonna show you guys the couch and some prints that we're gonna hang and all that fun stuff. My dad and Adi hung this TV. It looks stunning. And then I'm getting like a shelving unit there. You'll also see in the next vlog, so stay tuned for the moving vlogs. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it's been kind of like all over the place. It's been just crazy. Moving is actually insane. We are gonna probably just clean up a little bit more and then go to bed because we're tired. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you're excited for about my move-in vlogs. Hee hee. Also follow my Instagram because I've been posting story updates. And yeah, I love you all so much. Hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.